All right, so we've been talking a lot about decimal place value, and this is just a chart. I kind of had to add a few boxes to this, but I kind of wanted to go over decimal place value. Anytime we see the decimal here, you're going to want to think of the word and. Okay, that usually indicates that we have a decimal, and after the decimal, one place after the decimal is the tenths. 2 places is the hundredths, 3 places is the thousandths, 4 places, and I'll try to write this, is the 10 thousandths, after the 10 thousandths is the 100 thousandths, and 6 places out, 6 is the magical number for millions. I apologize for not having a nicer chart. So, ignoring these numbers to the side here, if I were to write, this number right here, I would read that as 23 and you read it at whatever place value the last number is at. So 23 and 8 hundredths. Okay, 23 and 8 hundredths. If I were to write the number I would read that as 1 and 8,234 10 thousandths. Okay, so whatever that last number is, that is the place value that you read it at. Okay, so if I were to give you decimals and say, I want you to write this using words, okay, that's our word form. Anytime I ask you to write something in words, you are using word form. Okay, and I'm just going to go over a couple of these. Okay, they gave you one example here. 5.714 is 5 and, that's your decimal, 714, and the 4 falls in the thousandths spot, so that is what the place value is. Let's look at this one right here. 5.04. 5.04 would be written as 5 and, now I have a 0 and a 4. My 4 falls in the hundredths. So it would be 5 and 4 hundredths. 5 and 4 hundredths. And let's look at this one right here. 0.4. Well, the place value directly after the decimal is the tenths, so I would just read that as 4 tenths. And let's look at this one right here. We have 0.073. My 3 falls in the thousandths spot. So I would read that as 73 thousandths. 73 thousandths.